All right, this right here that I'm standing on is what's left from when they poured my slab. All of this was in the pump of the concrete truck, and the guy's like, hey, where can I drop this? This could be somewhat flat. It's really not flat. I mean, it's flat, but it ain't smooth like my slab. He's like, where do you want me to drop this? So I just told him where to drop it. And so I'm trying to figure out what to do with it. But I think what I'm going to do with it is, since my grill is over there, it's kind of sitting in the dirt, and that's stub up for power and water. I think I'm going to dig an area right around in here, and I'm just going to sink that into the ground and go move my grill so that it's not sitting in the dirt. So, but that's what it looks like. It's kind of, so when they dumped it, this was upside down. So this side was flat on the ground, so it's actually flipped over, and so it's all like rounded underneath there. So anyway, it's gonna sit in the ground just like that, but somewhere over here. But I gotta measure it and dig a hole, or a little recess for it. So let's see, what does this measure? How big, roughly thereabouts, is this thing? In diameter, well, I guess it's radius. Woo, 8 feet. So I need to measure an 8-foot little crater right here. So I'm gonna put you up. I'm gonna measure me an 8-foot crater. There it is. It's not much to look at. It's not really even round. And I have no idea if this is going to fit. I don't even know if my tractor's going to actually push it in. Trey was here with a skid steer, and he actually got it from the other side of the pad site. It wouldn't fit on the forks of his skid steer. That's how big around it was. He ended up having to drag it all the way over here. So I don't know if that tractor's going to be able to push it. That's my theory. I'm just going to try to nudge it in with the bucket. Problem is, there's big roots right there. I'm not going to cut them out. It's not going to be level. It's not going to be perfectly seamlessly integrated into the ground. But I paid for the concrete. I might as well use it for something. And this is what I got. It's better than just letting it sit on the property somewhere else and take up space. So yeah, let's give it a shot, see what happens. Well, there you have it. Once you're, I mean, it ain't perfect. Then again, who cares? To keep my grill from sinking in the mud. Pretty sturdy, not rocking. This thing weighs a lot. Snout, look at that snout. That's a snout right there. That's a snout right there, Tucker. I don't happen to have a level, so I have no idea what that looks like. I have no idea how, I guarantee it's not level. But the grill is not sinking in the mud. My people perish for lack of vision. Tucker! Tucker! Come here, buddy. Come here, Tucker. You're a mess. You're a mess. You're a mess.